Well, hey guys, got in a new game camera today, and I bought this from a company I really have never heard of before, Suspect. That's suspectgamecameras.com is where you can go look at it. Now on their website they've got two models. They've got the BH755 and the 755M, and I'll go a little bit more of the differences here in just a second, which basically there is none other than it comes with a micro lens, and I'll talk about that in a minute. But I thought what I would do is I would go over just two or three details that's important to me, and then we're going to just trial it out after we unbox it. So first, this particular camera that I'm fixing to unbox, I got for $169.99, is about $9 shipping, and hey, they sent it to me in 2 days. I actually asked them a question before I ordered it, and within just a few minutes I actually had an answer. Now, about this camera, it's going to be able to take 30 megapixel pictures, 1080p video with sound. It's got a 2.4 inch viewing screen, and something that I like about this is it will take a 512 gig memory card. Now I just bought a 128 gig card that I'm going to use in this. I actually just bought a SanDisk Extreme 128 gig. Just, you can order them or pick them up at Walmart. And the batteries I'm going to put in it, I'm going to use these Energizer lithiums, which it takes 8 of them. Something else about this camera, it will take color pictures or videos day or night, so it's a white flash camera. Now I'm going to be honest with you, I have my doubts about a white flash camera scaring deer. Now I don't really think it's going to scare raccoons and possums and skunks, stuff like that. Maybe it will, but if you've been watching my videos, you know I do a series called My Patio is a Jungle, where I set my cameras on my patio and just see what comes and eats my cat food. Now I'm going to start out there. We're going to take a few pictures and videos of just what comes and eats my cat food. Then we're going to go put it in the field, and we're going to actually see if it actually scares deer. But hey, I'm pretty excited about this, so let's get it out of the box and take a look at it. Okay, looks like it comes with a little manual. Now here's something I'm going to talk about in just a second. It's a micro lens. It comes with your cable. Comes with a strap, put it on the tree. And there's the camera itself. Looks like you pull the side here, she opens right up. There's where you put your batteries, here's where you program it. Now I'm not going to spend a lot of time showing you how to program it. I'm sure most people can figure it out, but at the end, if there was any problems, now I'm gonna share that with you. I don't work for Suspect. I bought this camera, so I'm not making any money from Suspect from doing this video. So hey, let's put the batteries in it. Let's put it on the tripod, and we're going to see if anything comes to the cat food. Now, what I was saying, they make two different ones. They make the M, the one that ends with the M, and one that don't. And the only difference is this little, it's called a micro lens. And what it is, if you want real close up, you can put this micro lens on right here. And when you don't want it, you can just take it off. But the only difference in the two cameras, and I'm figuring it's the same price, so you might as well get it whether you use it or not. But hey, let's put the batteries in it right quick. All right, I've got it set. Batteries go right in here. Your memory card goes right here in the bottom, pushes right in. There's a spot right here for an external power source. And there's your microphone, and I did set it. It was pretty self-explanatory. What's nice is just it's got a button for video or pictures. And what's noticed in this one, that you can actually set it for a camera to take a picture. You can set it for video, or you can set it dual. It was very easy to set. This little manual was pretty self-explanatory. If you've ever set a camera before, you should be able to set it. Just closes right up like that. Let's go out and put it on a tripod and look at our cat food dish. Let's get some videos out there of the small critters. Then we'll go put it in the woods and see if we can get some deer. Okay, got my cat food here, and I might have failed to mention, but it's got one of them external, I call it a tripod mount, but it's made, you know, for all them aftermarket tree mounts that you can screw it on, put it on your tree so you don't have to use the strap. So I'm just going to put it on this tripod. We're going to let it look at this cat food, and we'll come back in the morning and take a look at the videos. Well guys, I've made it out to the woods. I've got it on this tree, and I've got it hooked up to my Wing Home solar panel charger. If you want to see a video on that, look up, I'll put a link to that. But I like to use them solar panels out, just saves on batteries. But hey, what did you think of the patio footage? If it's me, I was pretty impressed. I mean, it's about what I expected. I didn't really expect the small animals to be too scared. I had a cat, and I think some skunks and raccoons, a possum. And hey, what'd you think of my white skunk? Hey, if you've ever seen one or you got any dealings with them, hey, tell me about it down there in the comments. But I've got this set on what they call dual mode, so I'm going to try to get some actual still pictures and some video footage out of here in the woods. Now, like I say, I've still got my doubts about deer and the bigger animals, if they're going to be scared by this white flash or not. But hey, we're going to find out. Well, stay with me. We'll be back, and we'll talk about the pros and the cons of this camera. Well guys, thought I would come back and quickly give you what I consider the pros and cons of this camera. First, I haven't had it long enough to give you any indication of how long the batteries will last, and I have went to using these solar panels, which you don't have to buy batteries. So hey, if there's anybody out there that's had this camera can share with us all about the battery life, please leave it down in the comments, help us all out. Definitely like the case, I like the size. This is my first white flash camera, and I'll be honest with you, I was very impressed and surprised. Of course, I kind of figured the smaller animals wouldn't be scared by the white flash, but I had my doubts with the bigger animals, the deer. But hey, if you notice, the does wasn't very scared, but a little bit at first. But hey, when that big buck came by and he stood there and let it film him, then I was impressed. It looked like it scared him a little bit at first. He was a little nervous, but hey, the longer you got it out, the more they're going to get used to it, and they're just going to keep coming back. So another thing I definitely like about this is, of course, that 512 gig memory card it'll take. So hey, if you got a solar panel, your batteries won't go dead. You put a great big memory card, you could leave this out there taking videos for a long time before you ever fill it up. But one thing I will say as a con, and it's definitely not a deal breaker, is this little strap they give you. I didn't even bother used it. Y'all can do a little better on that. Let me show you what a Browning strap. There's the strap that comes with a Browning, got a steel buckle. This is a little cheap plastic buckle. You can see the size of them. So if you want to improve something for no more than it would cost, hey, give us a better strap. Something else that I didn't go over is this little micro lens that it comes with. And what this is for filming stuff up real close, within 4 foot. What you do is you just pop this off and screw the new lens in. I didn't try it. I guess if you wanted to put it up right against your hummingbird feeder and film your hummingbirds, or put it up against a birdhouse and film birds, or something that you're going to film real close. Probably not something I'm going to use, but if I ever do, I got it. Hey, if anybody's ever used this, hey, feel free to share it down there in the comments. We'd like to hear from you. But hey, overall, I've been very impressed with this camera. First rattle out of the box, my first white flash game camera. It's very nice to be able to get night videos in color, and something I hadn't ever been able to do before. So hey, if you're looking at a get a new game camera, this Suspect BH755M just might possibly be the camera for you. So hey, till next time, if this helped you out, hey, please give me a thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel. Until next time, I will catch you later.